Welcome to ASK Tutorials. This is our 8th video of a C programming series. We are learning C operators. If you are not seen our previous videos, then watch it. I gave link into the description box. Now let's get started with the video. Our topic is a C operators. First we will see what is a operators. Operators are used to perform operations. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical functions. These C operators join individual constant and variables to form expression. Means while writing an expression, variables and constants can be connected by using these operators. Operators, functions, constants and variables are combined together to form expressions. Let's consider the expression a plus b into 5, where plus and asterisk symbols are operators. A and b are variables and 5 is a constant, and a plus b into 5 is an expression. Operators in a C. C language is rich in built-in operators and provides the following type of operators. These are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operator and special operators. First we will see arithmetic operator. These are used to perform mathematical calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. The following table shows all the arithmetic operators supported by the C language. Assumes a variable A holds 10 and variable B holds 20 as a value. Then here is the table. The operator plus signs which adds the two numbers. For example, here a plus b is equal to 30 because we assumed that a contains 10 and b contains 20 as a value, so we got a result as a 30. The next operator is a minus sign. We subtract the second operand from the first operand. Example here is a minus b is equal to minus 10 because a is a 10 and b as a 20, so we got result as a minus 10. The next operand is a multiplication which multiplies the both operand. Example is a into b is equal to 200. Next operator is a division which divides the numerator by the denominator. b divides a is equal to 2. Next operator is a modulus operator. Modulus operator and remainder of after an integer division. b modules a is equal to 0. Next one is a increment operator which is denoted by the double plus symbol. Increment operator increases the integer value by 1. Example is a plus plus is equal to 10 because we assumed that a as a 10 which increased by 1, then we will get value as a 11. The next operator is a decrement operator which is denoted by symbol minus double minus symbol. The decrement operator decreases the integer value by 1. Example is a minus minus equal to 9 because we assumed that a as a 10, so 10 minus minus equal to 9 because it decreased the value by 1, so we got the answer as a 9. These are the operators in a arithmetic operators which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment operator and decrement operator. Next we will see one example for the arithmetic operators. we are written here one program. First we declared the preprocessor command. Then we declared a main function. Inside the main function we declared the variables int a equal to 21, int b equal to 10, int c. Then we are performing the first operation, that is a c equal to a plus b. In printf statement we are printing the result for a c, that is a printf inverted commas. Inside we are printing the result inside the inverted commas. First statement, value of a c is %d /n double quotes complete comma c. In c we are getting a result. Then second operation, c equal to a minus b. Then in a printf statement we are reprinting result for a c. The third one operation is a multiplication operation, c equal to a into b. Then we are printing result for a c. The fourth operation is a c equal to a divides b. Then we are printing result for a c. The fifth operation is a c equal to a modules b. Then we are printing result for a c. Next operation is a increment operator, that is a c equal to a plus plus. Then we are printing result for a c. Seventh one operation is a decrement operator, that is a c equal to a minus minus. Then we are printing the result for a c. Then we will get an output as a first operation we got output as a value of a c is a 31, which is a addition operation. Second, the value of a c is a 11, which is a subtraction operation. Third one, value of a c is a 210, which is a multiplication operation. Fourth, the value of a c is a 2, which is a division operation. Fifth, the value of a c is a 1, which is a modulus operation. Sixth, the value of a c is a 22, which is a increment operator. And 7, the value of a c is a 20, which is a decrement operator. This is how we got an output for all the arithmetic operators. This is what we learn in our today's class about the arithmetic operators in a C. The next operators will be continued into the next video. Thank you for watching the video.